Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I want to share with you a design perfect for Valentine's Day 2021. With a pandemic holiday, it's very important to have easy delivery, easy pickup, speed, efficiency, and skill that maybe isn't extreme because you don't have a lot of labor. Today, this arrangement meets all that criteria. The container for the design, a classic hat box. Now this can be prepared ahead of time. You can see I added ribbons to it, just secured them with U-glue dashes. That way it's all set. It can be done in January, in December, in November, whenever you had a spare moment. A liner with wet floral foam, pre-soaked with flower food. It's not taped in because it's so deep in there, it's not going to jump out. And that can just set right down inside the hat box, ready for designing. The roses, I'm using 3 different colors. That will help you with the Valentine's crunch. You can use what you happen to have on hand. So I've got magic, patience, freedom, 3 roses that will blend well together. And they don't have to be just those. It could be 3 similar so that you can mix and match. Then I'm going to be using a floral cutter rather than a knife. More about that later. I've tipped the box up a bit so that you can see better. Now, the clipper. The reason I'm doing this is a design that you can have your very newest designers work on. It doesn't take a lot of skill. It does take precision. All the roses have to be cut to the same length so that it makes a perfect pave. And they have to be low enough that you can put the lid back on, so you don't want it to extend too tall. In this particular design, I have a 1-inch stem. So using a clipper, add a slant. Your newest designers can cut them down. Now, tip. This is a wonderful design to use for all those broken roses. Because yes, you will have broken roses. We all know that happens. And being able to use them, sell them, make money off of them, a very, very perfect thing. So cutting them down 1 inch, then tucking them in, making sure they're all the way to the foam level. Very low. You can group some, feeding through, going back, adding in more. And you can see the satisfaction that an entry-level designer will have in creating something that's beautiful so easily, and the satisfaction you will have by having the job done. Once the roses are in place, you could stop there. It's pretty. Set the lid on, it's ready to deliver. But for just a little more style, panache, a cluster of feathers tucked in. They can be taller because since they're feathers, they'll just fold over. Won't hurt anything. You can still put the lid on, but it gives that little bit of movement and style to finish the design. The recipe, it's not a dozen roses. So point, don't sell it as a dozen unless you have smaller roses or a bigger box. It is a box of roses. My recipe, 6 of the red freedom roses, 3 of the magic thyme variegated roses, and 1 of the patience garden rose. Again, using whatever is left that looks Valentine-y and fabulous. Valentine's designs need to be fabulous, on trend, wonderful, but they need to be fast, easy, deliverable. The hat box roses meets all of those requirements. A wonderful gift with a surprise inside, easy for you. You'll find more creative inspiration at the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and call us at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. Create a way for Valentine's. I know you're going to be busy, but take a moment, take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.